Welcome to this GoBright functional configuration video covering the use of amenities in the GoBright portal. When a user is in the portal, then they can search for a desk, a room or parking. But they can refine their search. If I select desk in this case, then we can also search by amenity. So that just refines our search criteria and narrows down the number of items that would be available. You can see we've got some already in place. Let's look at how we add that amenity. So if we go to settings and we go to general and we go to amenities, we can then add an amenity. In this case, we're going to add a USB charging hub. And we can select an icon. We can decide whether that amenity is for all rooms, desks or parking, or by deselecting and leaving just the desks selected, we can say this amenity is purely for the desks, and I can save. That would now appear in our list of amenities for desks when we're going in and searching for that. We've got our USB charging hub, but it's not associated to any desks yet. So if we go into settings and we go to work, we can search for a desk. I'll just take that top one, and we can then add in the amenity for that desk. What that would mean now when I save is that if I was searching my dashboard and I go for a desk and I want to search for an amenity and I want to just a USB charging hub, then that's just going to give me that one desk that's available, and that's the desk that I've just configured. So by using amenities, you're allowing the user to refine their search criteria and just allowing them to select either a desk, room or a parking space with a lot more certainty. Thank you for watching this GoBright functional support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.